Yes, so my people, lovers of Sandra Egbogun, my beloved friends, my family, I greet all of you now. I greet you now, Yes, this video now all about friendship. I will tell you good to each other. I will tell you keep friends, you know, because many people say they know my job, my area. When I try to talk, so they say some of us they will not sabi keep friendship. We not sabi appreciate ourselves. We don't understand what the meaning of friendship they're all about. Because sometimes we just the family that they give us. We know they give out. Do you understand? So to a large extent, I don't keep friends like get to get. I don't keep for 20 years. I don't keep for 15 years. I don't keep for 16 years. At the end of the day, today we never get issues. If we quarrel, we settle because mouth and teeth and tongue they get issues and then they settle back the next minute. You understand? So some of us we're not good. We dey find who good. We never we got the love. But not me, you not there. So what they try to talk so we say, who go fit stay husband house? Who go fit keep relationship as a boyfriend relationship? We first start to the check from girlfriend. I and the friend take the day. Because I'm not talking about one person. That person so she's already passed my friend. She don't even pass my sister. I make her say, if you make a naga you America choice you too much. If I remember when you for the con, people don't understand. But I need to just talk some more about you. I don't want to talk about myself. I want to talk about you. Now you want to talk my own. I remember one time, like 10 years ago, I tell you it's a choice. I not tell you, I say I can't need money badly. Viewers, more than they listen, I want to tell you the way friends they not be by go party, go drink, go eat, say we know friendship pass like that. I can't get what I want to use money to do urgently, very urgently. What to do? I can't call somebody say I need money. Say no, you not get to. Say the only thing what I feel do, I go carry lap of money. When they tell you so things rough like 10 years ago. Now say okay, say I'll bring 2 people come where he go stand for me for lap of money and they find 100,000. So as I go the place the next day, choice coming that evening. Say Alpha babe, I'm not here for this money. I say I deal, I get one issue. I need money. How much you do not say? I'm going to carry lap of money tomorrow. We say, I'm going to say 100,000. He say, no, Sandra, not try that rubbish. Not try it. Lap of money, they don't feel the return now. Not try it. He say, wait till go up now. So this I get like 50K. He say, I will give you that 50K. Then I will go brag 50,000 journal give you. I say, talk to say yes. That evening, she got to give me that 50K. Behold, that 50K it can't reach me use. I'm not going to take lap of money again. You know? After I use that money finish for waiting they pay me for mind. I can say I really see this guy person. I can't record them. We can't return the money. We can't see the play they go. So make I cut the long story short. Because they say not small thing that they tell who get sense. If you reach Ibele, they go talk to a big thing. Recently, as of 2 years ago, I can't go back car for Lagos. Now me and she, I go the motor, the company, you know. Now me and she do the level. So I okay, maybe go Lagos, I go buy the car. And she get belay this time. So as I reach Lagos, I call the motor on one back. Go keep somebody for her car. Say, if I don't see the motor, you go let me do transfer. She can say okay. As I reach Lagos, I call the motor on one back. She come. I can't tell her say, let me transfer this money. She can't transfer the money. As at when she did transfer the money, so she did labor. She want born. I don't know. Buy the car. So I buy the car. So after Trace, I don't buy the car. Now one of our friends, now me people say, Trace just the bone. I shock. Are you serious? That one can't end. We can't play the go. So I can't do extra 1 week again for Lagos. I not coffee attend naming ceremony of picking with me and she got that bone. We can't rest like that. After I can't be new, because they play the go. The 3 months when she want to do dedication, I go shoot film for Abuja. I'm to spend 4 days. So I can say, Trace, if I not feel come down on Sunday, you go let me book tickets. Abuja to Benin. She can say, okay. That morning, she can't come and say, Sandra, no flight to from Abuja to Benin. I say, are you serious? It didn't pay me. Because if I say make I use road before I reach Benin, 8 o'clock we don't reach. I still miss some. I say, what is going to happen, babe? I don't already still miss this thing though. I just suffer your stay. People carry me go, don't carry me come. She can say okay. So right now, people can go they talk for a year. Now this point that they go see so. People can go to say, which kind of friend you and Sandra call the place said? When you feel born, you do name ceremony, she not come. Now dedication, she not come. I don't understand though, which kind of friendship is this one? If not friend will not feel like you, if not friend will not know himself, I was saying no ni mama ni gwalekenezo alare. They'll just from there pick up. They're not going to ask yourself what they don't start. I work about some away again. What's happened? I can't come in. She vex or the thing get to her. She got a vest. I call her say, my friend a vest. I can't come and say, "Alpha babe, boss, no where's where go? Why you dey carry face? Hey Sandra, hey, you know you're coming. Then I say, you dey craze. People talk to you. Not be me and you plan this Abuja say I'm gonna go do film. No be you say you want me book ticket. Not be you tell me say no flights. May I vanish come. Moreover, before you born this speaking, when people call they tell you not say me not come. They there. Not be me and you to say choice or send why you be here. She can't take it because say no truth. Now we all each other. We wait inside we go start to the gist. We go from the start to the play because when we see ikinegbe ma oya amo ikinegba ya gui o ma se ho. You know, if not so bad friend, he go keep part to himself. He go call the do me come exhaust when. So people don't sabi do friendship. So people in a year they'll get 5 besties. 20, they'll get 5 in a year. You cannot keep friendship for 1 year, one person. You cannot keep friendship for 2 years. Only you want everybody go be your bestie before you need to another quarter. For you to show say you not be better person. Nah, body now you take the play. People they talk about Akobia. If they friend, not a friend. I go laugh. I did 14 years when I enter industry. That's at that time Akobia don't day. If you go shooting for village, if I the bath, I know the bath ad. Since that time, where I just started to see 20 years ago, Nami and Akobia they use body they come with late Ukeke and late Rejiro. May they are so rest in peace. Now we tell use body they come. I never offend them. It might disrespect a day with the guy body they go like that. Some people they and people not gonna enter this industry. Today they're not they play again. Why how you take day? I beg everybody repair yourself. Not fair good friend when you're not good. Or when anyone you need me love, you know. Now so you go. Now I can't start to play from there. That one I can pass. I can sing a moment. I can sing. I can't use this my friend name to sing because I know he sing. May her name not day. Based on who she be. It's just some more rotioma. No mo say no yo titi be pada. Popo working oh. Yeah well I must say. I can't use that to sing that song. When I can do my life on stage, launch this song, my friend get what she they do for Lagos, which I know and I understand. Guess what? That same people will go tell my friends say, I not be better friend, I not good. Now so this one, and I saw which kind of will be me not call name ceremony, which kind of will they do. That same people now come meet me, see come me say Sandra. See choice when you take sing. She not call your life on stage. Which kind of friend now they do not say? It concern you now your friendship, now your friend over Sabi they kill you. I go away. Now you want to tell me ask me my friend they play. I carry phone, I call my friend. Choice. Imagine also person, okay, not my friend. Choice say Jesus. Sandra talk to her say yes now. He said now that same people now you call me tell me say which kind of friend you be say I not come your baby dedication. You see common sense. Kekebe ni baba ready. Ayaku ikinegbe. Not be bad to call do over sabi for social media, do over sabi for Facebook, or not be so no friendship. Be me egbe ma dem no ria so come you know ya pa me sika iku egbe. Na friendship dey all about. What am I trying to say? She was John Omoro Tioma. For this your birthday so you know say I get you for a year. 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 Yes. Happy birthday to you and your daughter Diamond. That same day when you born, when you did labor, so that be your birthday. When you let me do transfer, but I better my motto. So, choice. Everything you find for this life, you go reach your hand. I appreciate your friendship. For my Z, thank you for everything you do for me. Thank you. You can never, they can never tell you my word, make you believe. You say, I know Sandra, no worry. So, I say, some people do, they follow the play, you they waste your time. That's the way no know now. We not even know her before know you before go meet her, tell her something. Because in one cause quarrel for una too. That your friend go believe. Not quarrel, not your vessel. Enough to be your friend. You be like say, a person with the husband or we get wife, where they found with wife for the husband want do. No make him, no make him. Egg boss away the only. Mark house away. Egg the house away. Set the house away. As we they pray, may God give us good husband and good wife. Now so we see they pray, may God give us good friend. Because with good friend around you, everything go they enter. You not fit get better thing, you not tell your friend. But bad friend, if you tell her say, Bessie promise me 1 million, as you tell her that money not come again. If you tell bad friends, say, I won't balance myself to the builder, so you go say, as you tell her, wait, you have doctor, you don't feel bad land again. So I am so happy, I am gifted. Say I get friend like Choice John or Moro Tioma. I am so happy, I appreciate your friendship. I not just want to wish you happy birthday, but I want to use your friendship to tell other people, say, see a friend they be. That make I talk far. Yes, because we not some people not sabi do friendship. They not sabi do friendship. So my babe, girl, Choice John, I appreciate you so much. I am so lucky for having you as my friend. I know I go right and I just want to talk. So guys, my friends, I beg, make una the look grand, they pull leg. Agbagi osio. And I so fake is a shana. Wagi ma wan be. E ko babage. E abawre de. Apate selfie, e20, my best friend. Only I say, who worry oje. Keep it to yourself. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Choice John Moro Tioma. I wish you long life and prosperity. And today na your day. You go do shakara.
Enemies be no one make it happen. Make it happen. Now my birthday. Make una come join me celebrate. Come join me celebrate. Now my birthday. Everybody come join me celebrate. Come join me celebrate. Now my birthday. Enemies be no one make it happen. Come join me celebrate.